everyone. Today, I'll introduce the installation and usage tutorial of the Cleartide submersible water pump with auto on/off sensor switch. Submersible water pump are widely used in application scenarios such as pond, flooded house, garden irrigation, window wells, and other general water removal. Let's open the box and see what's inside. There is one manual, one adapter, another adapter, one elbow fitting, and one submersible water pump. The following tools may be used when installing a pump. This is the pump inlet, which can filter out particles of 1/8 inch or 3/8 inch. This pump allows you to toggle between automatic and manual operating modes, meeting different usage scenarios. In auto mode, the pump will be automatically activated when the water level reaches switch on level. When the pump reaches the shutoff level, it will run for an additional 30 seconds to ensure minimal residual water remaining. This pump features dry run protection, and it will automatically shut off after 5 seconds of operation without water, extending its motor life by up to 3 times. The pump is equipped with 2 hose adapters. One is a horizontal outlet, and the other is a vertically upward outlet, meeting the needs of different usage scenarios. Connect the hose to the pump. In auto mode, the pump will automatically turn on and off based on the water level once powered. In manual mode, the pump runs immediately upon power-up, offering plug-and-play convenience and more thorough removal of residual water. The pump operates stably with a high flow rate and high discharge height. The pump will shut down when tilted to prevent dry running and motor burnout. How to restart the pump after it has been tilted. In auto mode, the pump will restart when the water level rises above 1.5 inches. In manual mode, restart by unplugging and replugging the power or switching to auto mode and back to manual mode. If the pump stops due to airlock, press the anti-airlock button to resume operation without disassembly.